So here we have the A2, and what I have here is my little temperature sensor thing. It is around about 7 degrees ambient at the moment, windy, stormy, usual type stuff, and we're going to measure the temperature sitting on there, so hopefully you can see that there. It is 9.6. Yeah, 10 degrees, 10.1, 9.6. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to go around and not put anything on other than starting the car up. Here. So just keep an eye on this. See it going up. Don't feel it going up. Don't think it's changing. Now, let's go in and press rear demister. 10.9, 11.7, 11.9, 12 degrees, 13 degrees, 14 degrees. I think we've got 15 degrees, 16 degrees, 17 degrees. I feel it a little bit warm. 18, 19, 20. Yep, sitting about 20, 21, 22. Conclusive proof then that it is the rear demister that switches on the heated mirrors.